Hey guys, you want to find out how to get the broke girl look? Just keep watching. Hey everybody, it's Mandy. For those of you who are new, welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I decided to do the broke makeup girl look, or well, it's actually just an eyeshadow look, but all of my face is done with cheap products for us broke girls because YouTube decided to take our money. And if you're wondering why my hair isn't so, let's say, luxurious in this video, it's because I took a loan out on my hairbrush. And I had to use this to brush my hair, guys. This is my husband's grilling scrubber. Let's jump into the tutorial. All right, glow tarts, are y'all ready for this one? Okay, we're gonna start. This is the CoverGirl Goldens palette. I absolutely love this palette, and I'm taking the lightest shade in that palette, and I am going to brush this on my brow bone for the highlight. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it, and it works just fine. I absolutely love this shade for a brow bone highlight. Now we're going into the Milani Earthy Elements palette. This is the one with the orangey tones in it. I love this palette. Also, I'm using the light brown color in there. Oh, no. Sorry, guys. Changed my mind. Back to the Goldens palette. I'm going to take that light khaki color and use as a transition shade. And then, of course, you know to blend every color that you lay. Blending, blending, blending. Y'all know eyeshadow looks is all about the blending. The more you blend, the more flawless it looks. And of course, even if you're broke and you cannot afford name brand makeup, it still looks just as good. Back to that Milani Earthy Elements palette, I'm going to take the orange shade in there, and I'm going to use this for my crease. Now, I absolutely love this shade. It is so beautiful for the springtime, summer, fall especially. This makes a really good look. Now, we are going to put this all in our crease and focus it out there on that outer V. And of course, you know, more blending. Make sure you blend it in, girls. Now, back into that Milani palette. And this is a very cheap palette, but I absolutely, truly do love it. I'm taking that light brown color that I was going to use for a transition, and I am going to use this for my outer V. We are focusing this color out there, and of course, we are going to blend it over to the middle part of our lid, and then when there is absolutely no color left on the brush, we will go ahead and brush it all the way across in the crease. And again, more blending, guys. You know what? It don't matter that YouTube took our money. You know, we could still look good on a budget. I think this look really did truly come out beautiful. It's nice and natural. It's simple. It's easy. It's quick. I absolutely love this look. Back to that Milani palette, guys. Now we are going to choose a lid shade, and this is the color enhancer shade in that palette. That's what we're going to use for our lid. Too much makeup on that brush, girl. Shake it off. Now we are going to put this on our lid, and I did put this all the way over on the whole lid from inner corner to outer V, but of course we are going to darken that up. And of course I didn't like the way the brush laid it, so I am using my finger. And of course we got to do both eyes, guys. Usually I only record one eye, but I figured for this video, I will show you how I do both my eyes. It's basically the same thing. Back to that Goldens palette, we are taking the darkest color in that palette. That is going on our outer V, guys. And again, I got too much brush or too much product on that brush. So I did have to shake it off. And of course, this is going to be focused on our outer V, and we are going to sweep it toward the middle of the lid just to blend the lid shade and that outer V color together. Really, truly, guys, this really did come out good. I love this look. I was kind of goofing off, but I do really love this look. Back in that Goldens palette, again, that dark shade. Now this we are going to tightline our lower lash line, and y'all know how to do this, girls. Go ahead and stamp that color on that lower lash line. Then we'll choose a lighter shade, which is also in that Milani palette. I love that palette, guys. It is such just a good and affordable little palette. I'm taking that lightest color right there that I was going to use for a transition shade, and we are going to blend out where we tightline with the darkest color on our lower lash line. And make sure you blend this all the way across. I'd go from outer corner to inner corner. And I think I poked myself in my eye right there. Not sure, but I think I remember doing that. Yeah, that's where I done it. And blend it in, girls, even when your eye is watering like crazy because you just poked yourself. Now we are taking the lightest shade in the Milani palette. We're going to use this to highlight our inner corner. And of course, I usually just stamp this shade on also and then blend it later. Sorry, guys. I've had a cold. And you can't really see it, but it does look good. Now, this is the Ciate London eye pencil. And of course, I just about fell off of the stool, guys. Sorry about that. Now we are going to tightline our lower and upper lash line with this pencil. And I did not do a winged eyeliner in this video. I thought this look turned out great without it. Watch out, Mandy, don't poke your eye. You know YouTube does not have insurance. Now I've got watery eyes for the rest of the days, or for the rest of the day. Now we're going to curl our lashes, and that is no joke, guys. I really do have watery eyes right now because of that. And we curl our lashes, then we toss those to the side. And then this is the Scandal Eyes, the Rimmel London mascara. I absolutely love this. You do not need falsies with this, especially because I am so accident prone today. I've poked my eye twice already, so I don't need to do it again. And I think I almost accidentally do it again with this mascara. That's what I get for goofing off. Don't goof off and do your makeup, guys. Yep, I told you. And of course, I pull my one long ways to do the bottom lash because that brush is a little bit too big, but I do love the mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. Even broke girls can look good too. I think this look is beautiful, simple, easy, and fast. And I absolutely love it. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Love you guys. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the look. It is simple enough for beginners to do. My head's kind of itching now though. Shouldn't use that scrubber brush. I want my brush back, YouTube. But anyways, guys, thank you for all the new subs. I hope you enjoy the look, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial and the video. I love you, and I'll see you next video. Bye.